Shall we begin?
Hello, now I'm making a fish omelette. This is the mixture. I have here anchovy, ginger, panday kanang cebula, paprika, chusnik, and chipiorek. I have here the hot oil, so I'll be putting now the mixture. Here it is. Yaiko. Here. This is how it looks. Hello. So, to all our subscriber who is old in our channel, so if you can remember, Richard is very picky. So we going to the Muslims area. I make a salatka. This is maybe our dinner later or lunch, whatever is it. And this one is maybe dinner or breakfast. We have free breakfast in the hotel, but for sure he don't be eating because that is rice. We don't eating rice in morning. He eating only rice sometimes. So I made some food for him because for sure I'll be having problem over there. Somebody bininoch konya to me. So I just prepare something. The dressing of the salad, I don't be putting yaiko because you know we be travel and we have cooler, but for the safety and not prone to the salmonella bacteria, I be just making an olive oil and lemon, salt and pepper. So that's it. So here is the grilled sandwich. This one is like a vegetable and cheese sandwich, and this one is jam and what is this, jam and butter grilled sandwich. So this is the thing, this is the dressing of the salatka that I make here. Dzień dobry, pani i panowie, witamy. Jedziemy do Libungan for the wedding tomorrow, and we'll be sleeping in hotel in one day. And the time now is, what time is it now?
Almost 11
o'clock. So much. I have my pillow and my blanket because I don't can sleep without it. Pacifier also here downstairs.
No jedziemy kochani, mieliśmy wyjechać o 10, a Buena Fe anytimes is early.
You said to me lunch.
We're supposed to go in 10 o'clock. You said to me yesterday we're going 11. No yeah, no problem.
It's okay. It's okay. So see you later. Uy. So we are here in Dulce de Leche. This is new because Richard wanted to visit his friend in the hospital. Kaila ka ni Koan eh, Jason sa? Si Jason sa, siya ang mukaon ani. Siya ang? Katugong Koan, si Jason sa baka tong announcer. Obi Moist. This one, I bought this one. Obi Moist. Moist Obi. Sige lang. Dili good serious. Bago man good niya mas. Hello, dzień dobry. So we are here in Bansalan. Ratio say we have to stop by because maybe we park here in behind the red car. We going to hospital, visit our good friend Mr. Jason sa. Wala parking there. I don't know why you're going in. The parking.
Mag-jaker.
So we'll be going there and visiting our friend.
Przyjechaliśmy do szpitala po drodze. No, musimy odwiedzić Jaya. No, dowiedzieliśmy się, że Jay jest 309, trzecie piętro, także jedziemy do góry. Młoda kupiła torta. Hello Jay, good! We catch up him in right time. Yeah. No zobacz jak fajnie, bo Jay akurat wychodzi do domu. W ostatniej chwili żeśmy go złapali. No, super. No tak wygląda ten pokój tutaj. Z telewizorem, z lodówką. Ja. Także Jay idzie do domu. No, Jay wyjeżdża ze szpitala. No, żeśmy zdążyli, to dobrze. No, także nasz tryb, jedziemy dalej. No, widzę, że Jay tam zaparkował z przodu, a my musimy zawrócić z powrotem, bo mamy samochód tam. No, to była bardzo krótkie odwiedziny, no ale dobrze. Żeśmy dali mu jakieś słodycze i Hello guys.
Masz paluszki filipińskie.
Ja, one są dobre, one są dobre, można zęby na nich połamać, słuchajcie.
You can broke your tooth.
Ja?
Yeah. But it's good, no? The taste is good. We're done with the hospital and we'll be going now to our hotel in Libungan. We need to drive a long drive pa, around 2 hours, no? Drive ratio, no?
Almost 3 hours.
Yeah, almost 3 hours. So, see you later, alligator. Hello, so this is halfway already. Quarantine area. You have to go out and step on the liquid over there for the what is it? Anti-swine flu for the baboy. No, Risho, no? So much there. It's lots of line. Here. This is for the anti-swine flu.
Nie wiem po co oni to w ogóle dali tutaj. Po to, żeby wyjść i sobie nogi pobrudzić.
Yeah, because this is part of North Cotabato already. You see? Risho enjoying the palushki Filipinski. I bought it in the Sukirna where I bought the tort. Tak, Risho? Yeah, so this is the quarantine. The veterinary quarantine service center.
Trzeba wyjść, wytrzeć nogi w brudną wycieraczkę i jechać dalej.
All of the passenger in this bus, Puchakay, is going out to foot bath. Isla Sukura, Purkura. Here. is for the $8 meal. We have buffalo wings and nachos, clubhouse, and fritki. Supa. Masakra.
Masakra.
Jedziemy do domu.
No i oni mówią, że to jest najlepsza restauracja tutaj w tym mieście. Drogo, jedzenie do dupy.
Hello, so this is our hotel where we stay today. So it's very simple. It's good for 3 person. We have a queen size bed here, and we also have one single bed. So it's not wow, but it's okay for the travelers, for the price. So this is already okay with Wi-Fi, with for the location where we are. So this is okay already. So tomorrow we'll be getting ready for our wedding that we attend. For now, we'll be going out because we'll be exploring the city. Come to the funny city.
No to już jest inny świat, całkiem inne miasto. A widać, że takie już troszeczkę uboższe. Idziemy trochę pospacerować. No, Buenafer się obłowiła w jakieś tutaj domowe ciastka. No, ja mam kawę na szczęście.
$3.
150 peso zapłaciła za to, czyli $3. O, taka mała kafejka tutaj.
This is my childhood one.
Mówi, że przyłaziła wcześniej, ale mówi, że się rozbudowała trochę, nie? No. Ja sobie kawę łypkę.
Pani i panowie, how is your dinner?
Good. Dobrze, że wziął jakieś sandwicze z nami. Bo tu nie ma co jeść naokoło, przynajmniej ja nie mam co jeść, nie?
Huh? Mommy?
I just say I have sandwich from the house.
So this is the hotel where we stayed. Richard is already in the room and I'm walking here because I'm planning to buy some specialty somewhere there. Yeah, I'm by myself. We are front in the restaurant, but the restaurant there is bardzo drogie and the food is not good. Already some barbecue, the grilled fish, because the specialty here is the fish from a fresh water, and in our area in Digos we don't have that type of fish because we have fish from the salt water. So here in the north, the specialty here is the fish from the fresh water. So